Now is the last part of the process, and for me is the most exciting part. We're going to take our fabric and our dye and we're going to mix them together. For that we're going to need a pot. I'm going to use the same pot that I used before. I just wash it really well to remove all the flowers that were still inside. So I'm going to add our color water or our dye inside the pot. I want to show you the color. And then we're gonna add the fabric. You can see that the fabric will tell the color right away, but we're gonna leave the fabric inside for other 30 minutes. Now our fabric has been inside the dye bath for half an hour. I'm going to remove the fabric and then I'm going to wash the fabric really well. Don't worry if you see that the water in which you're washing the fabric is full of color. This is just dye that didn't attach to the fabric. I'm going to take some gloves, remove the fabric, squeezing the dye inside. And I'm going to wash the fabric on fresh water. Our dye bath still has a lot of color inside. This is called an exhausted bath. With an exhausted bath, you're gonna get a more subtle color. So I'm going to add more fabric that I already pre-treated. These are some pieces of fabric that, as I say, are already more than, and I'm gonna put them inside. This is the same fabric that we are using in our workshop, and you can see the difference in color.